Hi, I'm Glenn Snyder with Thomboys Power Sports and Equipment in Owen Sound. I'm the Bobcat product specialist. Today we're going to look at some used equipment in the Bobcat, in the Thomboys used equipment inventory. Trades are always welcome at Thomboys. We have a Bobcat T190 in excellent condition, track loader, very low hours. We have a Bobcat 5600 tool cat, local trade, again, very low hours, excellent condition. Another good local trade, John Deere CT 332 track loader, new tracks, new drive sprockets, air conditioning in the cab, 1650 hours, good local trade. Completely reconditioned and ready to go. Bobcat S205 skid steer loader. Low hours, local, one owner machine. Trades are always welcome at Bobcat and Thomboys Power Sports and Equipment. Come and see us today.